We are on brand this morning, folks. Look at it. Look at this beauty. Right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. It's going to be a great day, folks. It's going to be a great day. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. I know, Peter Schaap. I know. My trading, these two accounts have a serious derangement syndrome. I'm trying, John. Guten Morgen, Alex. Guten Morgen. Good morning, everybody. Oh, the clock. Thank you, NP. Good morning. It is a great Thursday morning. We literally got the Tradeify payout approval in literally, I think it was like 5-10 minutes ago. So requested these three payouts from Tradeify. They have been approved. The amount has been deducted from the balance. I mean, we're ready to trade again. Now, this here frustrates me a lot. I'll tell you why. This account, actually, I had it at the balance that I wanted it, and I actually didn't realize it until it was too late. But yeah, we hit the max daily loss limit again on this account, but then we made money on this account. I don't know what to say, but my plan for these two accounts, we are going to be super aggressive, and our goal is $1,800 to $1,900 a day on these two accounts until we bring these accounts back up to where they should be. That's the plan. That's what I'm doing, and I don't care. I do not care. Just watch the recap. Yay, let's go, Diego. I did a recap, the recap video. I just uploaded it literally 10 minutes ago. So we've been slacking over here. I've been slacking. It's just been so crazy. It's been so crazy. Like, we have family staying here at the house. We're having a ton of fun, but we're doing, like, there's always something to do after stream, so I just don't have time. But it's okay. I'll just do the recaps when I have time. What's up with Take Profit Trader being slow? E. Petersheim? Well, I mean, I'm not surprised when you take away the daily loss limit like they did. They're going to get overwhelmed. It's just how it is. It sounds like some of my dates, John. But no, it's a great day, folks. We got $9,000 in payouts approved. Our Apex accounts, we have a $6 green day so far. Basically, I kind of made a mistake here. Not a mistake, it was fine, but I went in long right here. I really like this wick test. I went in long right here above the EMA and then took one off up here. And then I had to get out right here because news was about to get released. I did not want to be in the news event, but I mean, it would have worked. Maybe I should have just stayed in and traded the news. Why not? What could go wrong? All right, market is open, folks. Buckle up, boys. Buckle up. It's going to be a wild day. Hey, good morning, Diego, E. Petersheim, Kamish, John, Orlando, good morning. Goan Trades, good morning. UCLA Trades, good morning. And Faisal, good morning. Here's Johnny, Hubert, NP, good morning. Benson, good morning. Alex, we got the whole clan in here. DL, good morning. Sam Owen, S, good morning. Whoa, what a rip hire. R5 Studios, good morning. Neil, good morning. Timbo, good morning. What a rip. I'm telling you what, lately it seems like the market opens up and just goes straight up. Until I go long, then it will probably change. Yeah, UCLA Trades. Man, I tell you what, the drama in this industry. You know what I want? You know what I want? I just want things to be normal. I just want things like, can we just have some normalcy? Jeez, it's insane. It's the prop firm space is kind of like having a teacher and you're like a 13-year-old class of teenagers. It's crazy. I'm not going to do the third. Actually, wait a minute. 1 minute. See, I don't want to get long right up here at the previous highs. Right up here at the 920s. Definitely not going to jump in here. I'm going to switch back to the 2 minute. Just don't want to get long up here. Hey, good morning, Almighty. Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Yeah, Diego, I don't think you can. I mean, obviously you can catch these moves, but I stopped. I mean, it is what it is. This will probably rip 100 points now because I didn't take it, but it's fine. I don't mind. I want Design Knob starting a YouTube channel. I feel like it would definitely bring some entertainment value, John. I would agree. Design Knob with a YouTube channel. Oh man. I think it would be great. I would watch. I would definitely watch. If someone cannot log into their account, why do people follow them? Agreed. Yeah, the whole Danny Trades thing. The whole Danny Trades thing, man, did that guy get wrecked? Absolutely got destroyed. I mean, now he's resigned as co-founder of Funded Family Futures. Like, gee, I mean, it's just crazy. You got, it's just, trust me, you wouldn't watch the design. I think we would. Okay, here's my thing. Like, if Danny trades, like, why would you? Again, this is a prime example. It's a prime example, not only in trading but in life. Like in life, if you're just honest and have integrity, then you don't have to worry about things like that. And I mean, that's why being transparent is the best way. Even though being transparent has its downfalls, because you cannot paint the picture that you want to paint. Transparency is just what it is. Like, there's no, if you take some big red days, if you take some big losses, it's just how it's going to be. Like, but I can't imagine going through life or even just going through trading knowing that you're trading a demo account, but you're pretending to trade real money, and then you have to worry about if you get caught. That has got to be the most miserable way to be a trader. Like, that has got to be miserable. And that's like, I'm like, you know what? I am just thankful that, I mean, if I don't even care, I don't mind if people can call me a bad, terrible trader and everything else under the sun because I show everything and we show and you see all the red days, but I don't care. It's worth it just having peace, knowing that, hey, we're not hiding anything. And then you know what? I don't even want to get into the whole Leo and the day traders thing. Like, what is that guy smoking? It's insane. I mean, that guy is literally just making stuff up. Like, just literally making... I mean, I guess I can't... It's just, the kid's crazy, man. A guy needs a reality check. Exactly, go and trades. It's like, it's just weird. I don't know. It's just so, it's so cringy. This, like, this industry and this space, it has started to become very cringy. And like, yeah, it's not necessary, man. I do wish we could, I mean, I am all for calling out the scammers. Like, I think the scammers need to be called out and they need to be exposed. Like, I am all for that, 100%. But if someone isn't scamming, and like that's where we need to just support each other, be positive, support each other as a community, and stop throwing stones where, like, oh, you're a terrible trader. That's one of my pet peeves. Like, yes, we've all been terrible traders, okay? Like, there's no need to go after people because they're bad at trading. That is just not, it's not necessary. Now, you want to go after people because they're a fraud and they're a scam, they're scamming people. I mean, I'm all for that. I think that is more than fair, but anyway, the space could definitely, it could definitely improve, but it is what it is. Here we are. It is the life we have chosen. Exactly, John. It's just crazy. Like, the things that Leo was saying in his latest lawsuit, and he's just saying all this with zero evidence. Nothing. Just trust me. Trust me. And that's it. I don't even know how that's not going to end well. Yeah, no big deal. Look at this pullback. This here is why we did not want to go long up here. Wow, what a rip lower. 840s from the 950s to the 840s. 110 points. No big deal. Don't worry. It's fine. Design knob. Please, design knob, please tell me that you didn't go long up here at the 930s. Please tell me. I'm long gold and will add and add until I am correct. Godspeed. Let's go, design knob. I believe. All right, I'm not jumping into this. I don't trust it. I do not trust this. I'm just waiting. I think we have the low of day, or the low of the overnight session is down here at the 760s. And this needs to hold, the 800s need to hold for sure. That's a massive move lower. Man. Gold is the play today. Man, I don't trade gold. I haven't traded gold in I don't know how long. We are waiting. We chilling, boys. I'm going to be focusing on my Apex accounts today again. I don't think I'm going to trade my Tradify accounts. I'm going to focus on the two accounts that have issues. This account we need to make like $1,200 or $1,300 tomorrow. If we can make $1,300 tomorrow, then this account will be at the same balance as these. Or I'm just going to push these accounts. I'm going to push and push and push and push and push until I get them to a payout. And then I'm going to push them just a little bit more. You just noticed a massive delay on Ninja Trader. Restart Ninja Trader, Diego. That does happen sometimes. Be careful. If 868 fails, might test 786. Yeah, Ace Undercover. Feel like if this 800 fails, I think we go test the 760s down here at the low of the day. So it's always dangerous when we have a big move higher and then we immediately reverse the move. Always feel like that's a chance where we could see this just fall apart. Also, looking at the 4-hour chart, this is what I was looking at this morning. We are right here at the 920s at a very key level. We have kind of failed numerous times up here. So just, I don't know, everything considered, I do not want to get long up here. Kind of want to, if we break up through we almost need to get above the 22,000s, but that might not happen today, which is fine, but I'm a little skeptical. Little bit skeptical on the longs today. I think we might see a red day today. Even though we do know, one thing we do have to remember, market only goes up. I know, Go Ahead and Trades. That's true. Like, it does seem like every day you kind of have at least at one point during the day, the market really sells off where you're like, oh, is this going to be a huge sell-off day? But then it always recovers. It recovers, and yeah, I don't know. It definitely feels like you could just always buy the dip. So far, it would work. Does GAT have a setting to where you cannot remove your ATM or stop loss? Yes, they do, Carolina. Yes, they do. I can actually, you know what? I'll show you. Hang on. This is actually, so this is what it looks like. Carolina, I'll just I'll demo it right now. These are all the options that you have with Guardian Angel Trader. So if you go all the way to settings, like these are some, like the settings, this is important. You can hide if you checkbox this, it basically makes it so you cannot remove this. Lock sim accounts, lock order entry hotkeys. That's not, so right here, you want to lock stop orders, lock target orders, and that will basically make it so you cannot, you can also ATF rules. They have specifically settings for Apex rules. Not kidding. Apex Trader Funding rules. Don't allow DCA. If you checkbox this, you cannot add to your losing position. Don't allow trades without an ATM. So if you checkbox this, you cannot enter an order without a specific ATM strategy selected. And you can stop trading at a certain balance if you want to. Your lock settings, basically you can choose what time you are allowed to trade. You have a weekly profit target, a weekly loss, winning trade timeout, losing trade timeout. You have position size, position loss, position win, total trades, trailing, daily drawdown, daily loss, unallowed trading times, and allowed trading times. You also have allowed instruments. Basically, I mean, everything you can think of, they have a setting for it. So, I mean, it's pretty awesome. I mean, I think I think it's pretty cool. I should maybe use that a little bit more than I currently do, but I will use Guardian Angel Trader if I start to feel myself going on tilt. Then I will just, that's when I really use it. Maddie Matt. I love it. Do they have a mulligan setting? Oh, I love that. I wish they did. Oh, I wish they did. That's one thing I would add. If I have a prop firm, I would have a option where once per year, you're allowed to have a mulligan. But you can only have it once per year. So be very, very wise about when you choose to use it. But I think that would be a pretty cool feature. One mulligan per year. One on the front 9 and one on the back 9. Guys, if I go golfing today and then tomorrow, I will have golfed every single day of the week. I almost want to do it. I think that would be a new record for me. But I'm actually kind of sore today. Oh, what do we got going on here, boys? Is this gonna dump? Is this the dump or is this a trap? Man, this is interesting. Is it gonna go retest the lows? Are we gonna take out the lows here? We don't take out the lows here, then I kind of like a long if we don't take out the lows. I don't know. Wait and see. Hey, black coffee trader in the building. Maybe you were here before. I missed you. You took out the 852s out at 40 after my 940 trade triggered and got stopped. Oh no. Oh, that's just wrong. GAT is a lifesaver for me. I use max loss, losing timeout, and it solved your issues so far. Let's go, Citizen Zero. I love to hear that. I really, really do. Love to hear that. And I definitely would say, I definitely give Guardian Angel Trader a lot of credit for my journey and being able to turn around my trading. And I've talked about this numerous times, so I don't want to just keep rehashing it, but the main thing that it taught me was it almost like connected a couple loose wires in my brain where it was like, oh, it's actually okay to walk away from a red day. You don't have to keep trading till you're green every day. That's the main thing that I learned from the Guardian Angel Trader. It really did help. Hey, good morning, Thor. Green or blown is not the way. Yeah, Matt. It is. It's so easy to get into that it is easy to get into that trap where you're not happy until you either blow your accounts or you're green. It's a very toxic way to trade. Very toxic. And I've been there. I've been there and done that, and it's just not a healthy way of trading. It really isn't. You can definitely get payouts that way, but it's not healthy. It is not a good thing, in my opinion. Green or blown is the only way I know. I blow everything Friday, Andreas. I'm sorry, man. Hey, like the thing is, like we all blow accounts. Like that's, I think a lot of times when we go through, like everyone thinks that no one blows accounts but you. But no, trust me, everyone blows accounts. But the key is, like, if you do blow accounts, you have to try to make improvements. That's the key. Like, even if it's baby steps, but just something that you learn from it, something that you take away from it, so the next time maybe you're willing to walk away from it. But it's easier said than done, man. It is easier said than done. We all have that secret number. That is true. I got up to 1,200 profit on my Apex 50K, and then took some more trades, got it below 700 profit. Think Apex will deny my payout since I got over 30%. No, you're fine, Mac. The 30% consistency rule is only calculated at the end of the trading day. So it doesn't matter where you were, at whatever point during the day. At the end of the day, that is the only thing that matters, and that is the only thing that is calculated on your consistency rule. Okay, market. This does kind of feel like we want to take this higher. We need to get above the 900s, though. Let's see. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, we didn't make new lows on this move lower. If we can make a move above the 900s, I gotta be bullish, even though my brain is like, don't do it. I have the take profit trader curse too. There's a few of us in that boat. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you're in the take profit trader curse. I feel like I'm a bad example with that. Maybe it's rubbing off on you guys. I apologize. Take profit trader curse is real. Actually real. I'm convinced. There's something going on. But I'm the first to raise my hand. I'm the first to raise my hand on that one. Oh, I don't want to talk about it. I do not want to talk about it. R5 Studios. I'll break it all for us. Let's go, Amakre. Do it, Amakre. Do it. I'm actually, in full transparency, I'm actually working on I'm working on two of the take profit trader evals. I have basically, so I don't know if you guys are aware. I think I've already shared, but with take profit trader, they do actually, so take profit trader is one of the only prop firms that I know of that they will give their affiliates a free account if you reach certain thresholds within their affiliate program. So at a certain point, like, they will give you basically a bonus test account. So I have two of them. I'm going to try to pass them. I'm going to do it off stream for now. And I'm going to see if I can break the curse off stream. I don't know. There's no guarantees. I'm not even going to talk about it. My new approach for Take Profit Trader is to not talk about it. I'm going to not tell anyone. I'm not going to tell my friends. I'm not going to tell anyone. No one. I'm not going to tell anyone if I pass. And I'm not going to speak about it until I actually get a payout. See if that will break the curse. I'm willing to try anything and everything. And look at that. There we go above the 900s. Man, do I actually have to take a... Do I actually need to take a trade here? So not a fan of this. Not a fan, but I feel like we have to. Oh, lit. The bad voodoo, man. I'm getting out of the bad. I'm going to do whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, man. Oh yeah, they could... Take Profit Trader knows they could probably give me 100 free accounts and they have zero concern of me getting a payout. Zero. That's how bad it is. Wow, I mean, I'm surprised by this. I really am. This is always when it just keeps going. Okay, I mean, if we get a pullback here, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take the trade. We got to. We might not get a pullback. This might just go straight up. It's kind of acting like that. 15-minute chart looks very bullish. But we are coming into those resistance levels. The overnight high is sitting right here at the 930s. I just have no reason to... Definitely not going to chase this. Just gotta be patient here. I said over 900. Well, okay, so when I say over 900, it doesn't mean that I'm going to take a breakout trade. Like, sometimes, yeah, maybe I should clarify, but what I'm talking about is I need to see price over 900, and then I'm like looking for a long trade. I'm looking for my setup. But my setup is we need a pullback, and then I will go long. But we need to, like, once we get above the 900s, which that has happened. So now I'm just waiting for my setup. And I very, very rarely chase. I do chase sometimes. It seldom works out. So the times I don't chase, usually I should have, but the times I chase is when it doesn't work out. So I've stopped chasing altogether. Cold turkey. Until next time. Guys, I'm going out on a limb. Say we hit and break 22,000 today. Ooh, ace undercover with the bold call. I like it. We could. We definitely could. Right now, it's looking very bullish. I'd really want this to pull back now. Get me in on the bull train. I'll take a ride on the bull train. Yeah, Matty Matt. I do that. Dare I say it, but PW is right. You called going long at 880. You said you should take the long. I know I do that. I know I do. Don't remind me. I do that. I know I do. But see, like, okay, in my defense, not maybe I shouldn't say in my defense, but here's the problem. Like, I do call it out, and maybe I should just take those trades. But those trades are not technically my setup. Like, but maybe I should just look at a different type of strategy where I just take those trades. Because right here above the 880s, this was like, if I look at this, I definitely like a long above this. But I didn't take it because technically that's a breakout trade. And a breakout trades, me and breakout trades have a terrible history. As much as it's just, I mean, I could go back in time and show you how many times I've taken breakout trades that absolutely destroyed me. So, but, you know, the ones I don't take would have worked great. But the ones that I do take, they reverse. So, if you're taking notes, maybe do as I say, not as I do. If you know what I mean. All right, I think we get a pullback here. Come on. Give me a pullback down in the 900s, and we will take this shot. Really don't want to see this just rip higher right now. Gold is activating launch codes. Gold is activating launch codes. Okay. I haven't looked at gold in a long time. Let's look at gold just for fun. Gold right here. Is this the right contract? I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is not the correct contract. Why does that not show? What's the current month on gold? It's got to be 4, right? Oh, and we just broke out. You have got to be kidding me. All right, we're getting distracted here. And exactly what I didn't want to see happened. You have got to be kidding me. Ah. Look at that. Now I'm actually triggered. Was there news or something? Seems like there was news. I mean, it's very volatile. Let's see let's see how we react up here, the 950s. Maybe we get a pullback here. Ugh. Yeah, I should actually do that, Matty Matt. I actually should. I need to just maybe I just make a new tab, and then I can have gold, ES, oil. And if someone mentions it, I can just switch to that easily. Not a terrible idea. Paying attention here. Now this looks like a double top. Not crazy about that. You're fine, futures engineer. It's not your fault. I wasn't taking that trade anyway. I just didn't want to see this do this, but it did it. I wanted to see this pull back to here and then rip it higher. But we don't always get what we want. We do not always get what we want. All right, I might have to... We might jump in here. Let's be patient. This is when I sometimes front run my actual entry here. We're gonna do it. We're looking for this just to hold. Oh my gosh. This is why. Okay, this is exactly why I don't do this. Why is... Oh my, okay, I'm out. Oh my word. Did you see that? Did you see that? Now I'm getting triggered. Now I'm getting triggered. Okay, regroup, regroup, regroup. I fell for it. See, that's what happens when you start to feel like you're missing out on a move. Then you start to front run my entry. This was not... there was no reason to do that. Thankfully, it was only 2 micros, thankfully. We're fine. But that was annoying. That was super annoying. I mean, that thing just immediately ripped lower as soon as I got in. Yeah, I know. My entry was basically above the body of this until the next candle closes above it. Not closes, but breaks the high of this. That was my entry, and I tried to front run it and got punished. They took me out back to the woodshed and they spanked me. I did. I fell for it. I fell for the trap. No, that's... Okay, now we need to focus up and make sure that we don't miss a trade just because we took a bad trade. Let's not miss a good setup because we took a bad... We took a bad trade. It's okay. Let's just not compound it by now missing out on a good trade. See how we react to the 900s here. This is going to be interesting. But it is crazy how quickly this market moves. I mean, that was 100 ticks in about 3 seconds. I'm done trading, so now I need to fix for someone else. Help me, Matt. I'm down. Yeah, Mokray, it is actually. The trade right after a loss, that is sometimes very difficult to do. But I still like a long, especially if this wicks, like if we get a move back above, like back above this 920s, then... But I want to see another candle. I want to see this consolidate a little bit. See now. All right, we're gonna take this. Come on, rip this thing. Really want this thing. Just need this thing to give me the first target, then I feel really good about it. Don't tease me. I do not have the mental capacity for this to trigger me. Don't do it. All right, I'm going to take some off right there just to be safe. Just take out that 950 area. Go do it. Come on. Do it. Do it. Go, baby, go. Don't stop. Straight up. Give me one of those nice 20-point green candles right here. Let's go. Go. Boom. Let's go. That was nice. That was nice. We like that. We like that. All right. Now we wait. Oh, wow. Look at that. The market was actually kind. The market was kind for once. Let's go. Somehow it wicked up into my target and now pull back. Isn't that something? That's a beautiful thing to see. Let's go, Citizen Zero. Let's go. Now we kind of have a dilemma on our hands, though. If this continues to pull back now, I'm not too sure that I'm interested in another long if this fails to make new highs. Actually, right now, what we need to have happen, this is what we need. We need this to be breaking above the 960s. Give us new highs. Give us new highs, and then we look for another entry. If we start consolidating here, we're kind of playing with fire if we just trade now in this range. But isn't that interesting? Like, we have, again, my support resistance lines. I mean, maybe I need to start looking at these lines a little bit closer. Like, I did not put this line here. This line and this one was put here on Monday. It is respecting those levels a lot. Pretty crazy. Yeah, a mockery. I shot the market in the tick for once. Today, the score is Nutty Bar 1, market 0. I should probably not have said that. I'm just asking to get wrecked if I say that. Just need a good Trump tweet to dump it for Kid Poker. Yes, dump it for Kid Poker. Don't do it, Kid Poker. Don't do it. Kid Poker, listen. You have gotten a couple payouts, Kid Poker. So just focus on the positive. Focus on the positive. Don't go down that path of destruction. The path of destruction is not a good path to be on. Do you think this price action is good for trading the sudden drops? No, I don't, consistent trader. I definitely don't. But that, like right here, this trade just whoosh, 130 ticks lower. A lot of times that's what happens when we try to go, when we're trying to break an important level. you see that kind of move a little bit more. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get above that 950. Need to rip above the 960s. We need a closing green candle above the 960s. And then, and only then, will we look for another long entry. Here we go, 952s. Let's see if she can do it. If we have another wick, if we wick up here again and then pull back further, not interested. Not interested. Forex Factory just added Trump may tweet all day. I did see that. The Forex Factory, they just said President Trump speaks. It's like, who knows when, but it might happen. You gotta love it. All right, we're trying to break above that 950. Oh, I didn't even see me in the... Am I actually this red? I have gotten a lot of sun the last couple days, but man, this camera is like making me very red. Hang on, can I change? I need to make myself less red. Oh, that didn't help. Hang on, hold on. Hey, we're breaking above the 960s. Why are you not working?
You gonna wear those? Let's put your clothes on.
I do look very red. I'm trying to make the light as blue as possible. Oh, that's better. See, that's better. That's more my actual color, I feel like.
Pick it up. Boy, pick it up.
Okay, that's better. Okay. All right, here we go. 960s. Can we do it? We did close a green candle above. Looks like we're breaking out. There she goes. 965s. Can I get a 970? Here's 970. Can we get 975? Never mind. I won't do that again. I'll go into my auctioneer mode. Hey, but now give me $5 now too. All right, 970s. Oh, we ripping. 972s. Can we get 975? Here we go. 975s. Can we get 980s? That would be so draining doing that all day, but it would be kind of fun. That's how trading should be. And we got 980s. Do I hear 985s? Wow, we are actually breaking higher, and this thing is ripping. All right. We need another entry. We need a little bit of a pullback here. We need a pullback. And let's be patient. We got to remember, these pullbacks will likely be bigger than normal. So we just got to be careful. The auctioning performance. The dumpster behind Wendy's will be happening tonight. No, wait. Design hub that went the dumpsters behind Wendy's will be hopping tonight. Oh dear. I hope I'm not one of the customers. All right, 980s. Do we hear 985s? We're pushing into the 990s. this looks like we're going to push to the 22,000 level. Will be taken out. Who was the one? Ace Undercover. Ace Undercover with the bold call early this morning that we're going to break above the 22,000s, and it is looking like that is going to happen. All righty, boys. 980s. Okay, please pull back. This is where the FOMO is real. You kind of just want to jump in here. Like, I have done this so many times in the past, and I always do it. Like, this is always where I mess up the most, is when, like, the 22,000 level, it seems inevitable. Like, right? Like, it seems inevitable. The market is going to go to the 22,000 level. So that I get that in my head. So then I'm like, well, then let's just buy and hold, because eventually we're going to get there. But then we start to pull back. Well, now we're going to go straight to it because, well, you know why. All right, here we go. 990s. Can we get 995s? Here we go. 22,000. Here she comes. 22,000s, 995s, pushing up through the 22,000s. Here we go. Can she do it? 994s was the high. 996s. Can we break up through the 22,000s? Hold on. We're pulling back. Getting ready for another run. If only I was in a trade. Oh, if only. Imagine we would just have a runner. LOL. Very funny. Imagine we would have held a runner here. Very, very funny. 22,000s. Here we go. Can she do it? You know you're going to get through the 22,000 level. Just do it. Do it already. 600 left in drawdown. Okay, everybody, we need a moment of silence. We need a moment of silence for Kid Poker's account. It is not looking good. Kid Poker's account is currently on life support. I'm not sure it's gonna survive the day. We need a moment of silence, and we need desperately need a pullback. We need a pullback so Kid Poker can get out of his trade, and so that I can get long. That's all we need. Made it. Oh, wait, Kid Poker. Are you saying that you have made it 67 days on this account? Oh, that makes me so sad, Kid Poker. Not today. Not like this. Not like this. All right, here we go. 995s. Ready for another push? Can she do it? Man, I am so tempted to just go long. It's not even funny. Oh, you're on MES. Okay. Well, tell you what. Why don't we get MES to pull back and NQ, and then we go higher? Oh, that's unfortunate, Kid Poker. I'm sorry, man. But just don't compound it. I don't know if you have other accounts, but just be careful. All right, we have not made the 22,000 level yet. So, man, I would love to see a pullback right here. Come on. Please. Please. That's your only PA? Okay, well, there's still hope. There's still hope. All right, we're getting a pullback here. A little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. Look at that. It's this. There's just no pull. I'm so tempted here to go long. It's actually insane. Wow, wow, wow. All right, come on, pull back for me, would you? There we go. There we go. You know you want it. Okay, now we be patient. This is where we cannot front run this like we did previously. We gotta maintain our patience. Just maintain. I shamelessly plug my affiliate code, but NBT has the best pass rate I know of. Let's go, Matty Matt. No time like the present. Oh, yeah. And that does remind Apex has 80% off. Tradeify has 30% off. Take Profit Trader has 50% off. Choose wisely. No, I don't care. It's not time for a market order long. Nope, not yet. I want this to consolidate a little bit. I love this to pull back to like this 960 area. Maybe wick down below this and then let me get in long. And then we just, it just goes up forever. You know, can we just do that somehow? Kid Poker, are you still alive? Are you still alive? Johnny 40, if I make a living doing this. Yes, I do. Hard to believe. I know. I know you're shocked. All right, market, come on. I want some consolidation here. If this just rips straight back up, going to be very sad. Long at 64 feels pretty good. Hashtag Trump tweet. Design knob. DCA when necessary. I still remember that one time, design knob. I still remember that one time when you DCA'd. You DCA'd like a professional. You almost got me to believe that DCA might be a way to go. If I started off low float stocks, no, I did not. I did not. Ah, please consolidate, please. What time is it? It's 10:30, so we still are good. 30 seconds. I want to see what the 1 minute chart looks like. We might steal an entry for the 1 minute here. Hello, Mark. What happened? I'm frozen. My chart is frozen. Help. What's going on? Hello? Okay, we're back. We're back. Market! Urgh. What is going on? My... Oh. If I miss an entry because of this, I'm going to be... I don't think this is a good sign. I don't think this is good. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I don't think this is the way it's supposed to be. What is going on here? My chart trader disappeared. What? I might need to call the plumber if this keeps up. Hello? Okay, we're back. Oh, we're back. Okay. Oh my gosh, I think we're in. I think we get in here. We got in just the nick of time. Just in the nick of time. That was... Oh, let's not talk too soon. Everybody calm down. Are you... All right, we're taking 2 off here. Now, we are going to hold like diamond hands. We are going to have diamond hands until we get to 22,000. Everybody agreed? Okay, boys, here we go. 990s, 992s. Come on, baby. Hit me. 9 more points. You can do it. Hey, I feel like I shouldn't egg. I should not egg on the market because it always just does exactly opposite of what I wanted to do. So we're just gonna we're gonna chill. We're chilling, boys. Diamond butt cheeks. Lots of squeezing. Lots of squeezing. Come on, market. Don't make me beg. Don't make me beg, but I will do it. Are we really like there's no shot we don't take out the 22,000s, right? Are we all in agreement? There's just no shot that we don't take out the 22,000s. Right? I'm not crazy, am I? Ace undercover, you're on a heater. Come on, baby, right here, do it. Come on. Here we go. 993s to we hear 995s. Can we get 995s? Here we got 992s. Gotta get a push here. Come on, rip it. Do we have 994s? Here we go. 994s. It's struggling to push through. You know when it starts. Uh-oh. Everybody abort mission. Pulling back to the 990s. Don't lose hope. Have faith. Have faith. We're going to take it out. It's a matter of time. I think this is making me nervous. It's making me nervous. It's making me nervous. Do I just feel like I'm borderline being greedy here if I don't just take... You know what? I'm going to take one for the team. This is called sacrifice. Right here, this is sacrifice. I'm going to take my profit so that all of you get to experience the rip above 22,000s. Okay? You're welcome. You are welcome. You know what's going to happen now. We're going to rip right up through the 22,000s. You know it's happening. Just a matter of time. Sorry, Kid Poker. I'm sorry, Kid Poker. I really am. Keep your head up. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. I know it's deflating, especially on one trade. All right, here we go. Can she do it? I mean, it's being very, very stubborn. Ah! Well, look at that. There she goes. 22,000s. Boom. You're long from 972s? Nice. Let's go, Black Coffee. Yes, you are welcome, everyone. Self-sacrifice. That's what it's all about here. We like to we sacrifice for the good of others. It's what it's all about. We like giving back here at the Nutty House. But I'm not upset. We're fine. So far, a nice day. No need to get too crazy. All right, now can we just keep ripping above the 22,000s? We have my next area of resistance that I have on my chart is the 22,050s. So, I mean, we definitely can keep going higher. We got a ways to go if we want to. But that was a beautiful trade. This was a beautiful trade. Like, this is just picture perfect. If I was to take a screenshot to show someone my strategy, this right here would be it. Right here. Literally a perfect example of a perfect setup. Where we have a nice clear uptrend. We have a pullback, consolidation, and then a break above the previous candle highs, and then we keep going higher. I love it. All right, market, we just keep going higher, back above that 22,000, 22,004s. Now we just need another pullback and rinse and repeat. It is his royal trades. That's what I like about it. I mean, it's just for my trading, I need something very simple. I'm a very simple guy. I am a very simple guy, so that's what I need. Something easy to understand and very simple. Even this trade here was also a picture perfect example of a good setup. And this is also a perfect example of what not to do. But we did it anyway, because sometimes we do that. Wow, look at this market. Continuing to rip higher. Should have held a runner, folks. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Wow. What a nice move we have so far. Honestly, this kind of price action is... I love it. Where is the runner? Well, we had to sacrifice the runner. That's the problem. We had to sacrifice the runner. It's unfortunate. Okay. We got to wait for a pullback now. Just got to wait. Whoa, look at that thing go. What? Above the 2210s, above the 30s. We are, oh my goodness. If you are long, congratulations. Great job holding. Wow. Wow. What a nice move. Man, where is my runner when I need one? I want to cry. I want to cry. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, that is crazy. Unbelievable. Man, this is depressing, man. Look at that, just continuing to rip higher. All the way up to the 40s. Oh. Yeah, let's go, Sharoos. Man, that was an awesome trade, if I say so myself. Let's go, Black Coffee. That's awesome. There is nothing better than following through on a plan and having everything work out. Great job. Oh, great job. Sharoos, I am up 2K on a PA 150K account on Apex. Let's go. Let's go, Sharoos. That's awesome. That is awesome. The market only goes higher. I know, it's crazy. This is crazy move. Wow, we definitely we left a lot of money on the table here. But that's easy to say in hindsight. But man, that is... What a move. What a move. All right, I'm trying to find something here. What in the... Look at that, all the way up to the 2250s. Oh, that's rough. That is rough. Ah, this is actually difficult. Now it's like, what do you do? If you're not in long, it's like, I mean, you're just playing with fire. You could theoretically take some very quick short scalps up here, probably. I like design. I like how you said probably. That probably right there is the problem. That probably is the one that's gonna get me. I almost spiraled today, made 1K, then gave it back, then got really ugly from there. Ooh, that's not fun, Mr. Push Up. Then you came back. Oh, wow. You brought it back to plus 1K. Oh, I mean, that is, first of all, a great feeling. Second of all, stop. Just don't continue. Just stop everything. Yeah, let's play with fire. Hey, guys, you need me to take another... I feel like I should take one for the team here. I'll take one for Kid Poker. I'll do a self-sacrifice for Kid Poker. And I'll go long right here. 100% guarantee we pull back 100 points. You feel ugly? Yeah, you do feel dirty, right? You feel a little bit dirty, but you also feel like you just kind of cheated life. So it's a great time to recognize that that is not how you want to do things going forward, but you didn't have to literally pay for it. So walk away, be thankful, and still learn from it. That's the best case scenario. But ripping and dipping. Yeah, exactly. And if that doesn't work on the first entry, DCA. Oh, Design Knob, you are, we love you, Design Knob. Don't ever change. A man of the people. Take a shower and wash that filthy trade off. Oh man, I'm just waiting. I mean, we are waiting for a pullback. Here is the problem, guys. And I say this literally every single day. Every day. I say this every day. Around 11:30, 12 o'clock, we start to roll over. And I seem to fall for it still every time. So somehow we will, one of these days, we're going to master that rollover. But for now, we just need a pullback and we will jump right back in with both feet and hold on for dear life. I just buy a new evaluation, Rad Poker. I mean, that works as well. I can't say that I have not done that. Oh, man. The things we do as traders, I tell you, we are a very special group of people, if you know what I mean. When I say special, I mean special. Come on, give me a pullback. I would love to have like a $300-400 day on these Apex accounts. I would love that. You like my NinjaTrader setup? Do you have a video or template where I can set up a similar? I don't have it. No. I don't even know how to create a template, but basically this here is the Wadatar explosion indicator. This is the up-down volume profile. And this is the Affordable Indicators chart trader. I also use the Affordable Indicators account dashboard as well. Yeah, exactly, Jose. Traitorous chick. Like lick the side of the school bus special. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. We are definitely a special breed. We keep getting punished and we keep going back for more. Why not? It's a good time, man. By the way, I was curious. I want to hear from people. I've been curious if anyone has gotten banned from Top Step, like with the new whatever, I don't even know what to call it, but does anyone know of anyone that has gotten banned? The NinjaTrader has more pay for additions. Hey, Trader, or Kellyanne is in the building. How you doing, Kellyanne? Good to see you. Hopefully you having a good day. A green day. All right, we're getting a pullback. Everybody stay calm. I'd love to get a pullback back to like the 20s here. Maybe, possibly even a pullback to the 22,000s. as long as we stay above this EMA, I will be okay with the pullback. We might get a little bit more extended pullback than normal, so let's just be patient. I only know of one banned Top Step trader. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of curious, like, how much they're going to enforce it or not. DL, Michael, MP and Dakota got an email. I doubt that. Uh-oh, Kellyanne got spanked today taking a pause. You know what? I could go a couple different ways with that, but we're gonna keep it family friendly here. And I'm sorry to hear that, Kellyanne, but I'm sorry to hear. Dabbed pullback, or we're going all the way back down? I sure hope not. I see now. Oh, I'm in a position here. Shoot, hang on. Did I mess up? I'm gonna wait. I mean, we're kind of far away from the EMA here. I'm gonna wait. I'm hoping to get a little bigger pullback. Okay, good. See right there? If that was definitely a fake out. Now, if we make a move down below the 29s, feel like I avoided some disaster right there. Get a little deeper pullback here, maybe. Come on down to the 22,010, 22,020 area, something like that. They're banning for same IP now. Really? Oh, you mean the same household? So if you have same IP, then you would get banned as well. Oh, interesting. Man, if this holds though, all right, I need to take this. I need to take this though. This is painful. I'm conflicted on what to do here. I'm gonna wait. I want to see a deeper pullback before I jump in again. I'm gonna be sad if this rips without me though. I'm going to be sad. Oh. But the time of day, we're at 11 o'clock. I think we need a deeper pullback here. This is where discretion is used with setups. Discretion is used with trading. You just gotta wait. Love this wait. Love to get a little bit closer to this EMA. You think it's a trap, Phoenix? Hey, good to see you, Phoenix. I don't know if you're the same Phoenix. Are you the same Phoenix that is in Alpine's Discord? If you are, good to see you. I always you've been doing a great job on your Tradify accounts. I've been following. Nicely done. There's a pivot high. Oh yeah. So the pivot high at what is that? 22,078. 22,078. Yes. Right here. This pivot point right here. Well, that could definitely be a target for sure. Man, now that we're at this level, like, I don't want to keep saying this because, but do you guys see this level again? The 22,052s? I'm not joking. I had that level mark first of the week. If I would just trade my levels, I might be a millionaire. Just saying. I might be a millionaire by now. It's actually starting to make me think that maybe I need to take a serious look at that. Okay. We're getting close to where I will take a stab at this, but this is starting to feel like rollover, just slowly bleeding lower now. We need one of those big breakup candles, the big green machine. Yeah, exactly. It's in hindsight, they look so easy, but then you also know there are times when the market just has zero care. It doesn't care about any level. It just goes straight through it. Those are the painful ones. Man, oh man, I feel like this is so. You know what? Let's switch to. We're gonna switch to 2 micros here. Feel like this is a lot more of a risky trade. But if we break up through this, I mean, I just almost have to take that trade. And then maybe, hold on, no, maybe we DCA. Maybe this is the only time that I actually consider DCAing. The only time I consider DCAing. Because I do feel like as long as we stay above the EMA, I still like the longs, but we might consolidate and move lower. And I don't know, but we're in. Now we're in. Now we're just going to have to, if this continues to roll over, then we're going to have a decision to make. We are going to have a decision to make. Need a big bullish, need a closing green candle here above this 40. We really need this for this to have a chance, I feel like. If this candle closes red, I do not like this trade. Do we give this time to move or do we just kill it? You know what? We have a thesis. We have a strategy. We're going to stick to it. We're going to follow through on the trade. It is what it is. It is what it is. As long as we stay above the 21 EMA, I feel okay with this trade. We might have to go through a little bit of drawdown. We might have to go through a little bit of pain here to achieve our goal. This is a great time for me to go go outside, take a breather, and I'm gonna set my target all the way up here. I'm gonna go on a restroom break. Uh-oh, maybe not. You know what? Whatever. I do not like this one bit. I do need to use the restroom and grab some water. If we make new lows here, it makes me nervous. Wait, top step is short? Okay, I just like my position. I think we're good. Poor top step. They catching strays all day long. This is not going to be easy trade. I feel like we're going to go through some chop. Bless you. All right, guys. I will be back. I will be back. And we're back. Oh, wow. We are literally going sideways. All right. Come on, market. Break up. Break it to the upside. You can do it. You can do it. Really, Kid Poker? Well, hey, take care, Kid Poker. It's okay. Yeah. I just jump scared you, Kellyanne. Oh, man. I mean, what am I going to do here? This is such a difficult... I don't like... I feel like I definitely need to stay in this trade, but if we do dip down and start to go below this EMA, am I going to add 2 more? That's where it gets tricky. That's where things start to get very tricky. It sure would be preferred if we just go higher. Hey, you're long. Let's go. Yeah, that's very true, Maximus. You're earning or you're learning. That is very true. And the closer we're now at 11:15. I just don't not a big fan of this. But I feel like I need to go out and walk. I need to go for another walk. If I'm going to sit here, I'm going to close this trade. I'm going to close this trade if I continue to sit here. I'm not kidding either. I will. I'm gonna go on a walk. I'll be back. You hate to see it. We are about to get stopped out. Man. This is actually where I'm actually thinking if I want to add or not. Like technically I could have my stop like right here and right here and add. If we break above this, I add to it. I don't know if it's worth it or not. Man, I hate this kind of, this afternoon session stuff, just so frustrating. Frustrating. Seems like we do this every day. Every day this happens. It's so just hard for me to, it's hard for me to stay out of this kind of. I mean, is this really worth it? I think we're just gonna accept our loss here, and it is what it is. Looks like we're about to get stopped out. Wow, that's super not cool. Super not cool, man. I know Citizen Zero. I know it does. It literally does this every day. And I am starting to think I need to do something different. Either I just need to really stop trading this, like just need to stop. Or even better yet, just look for a different type of strategy to trade it. Like if it's doing this every day, why not take advantage of it? That's the crazy part. If I get shot in the tick here, we are going to have problems. We do not want to go there. Man, that's so deflating. Probably should have just had my stop up here below this and just kept it there. Whew. Now I don't have any desire to trade. I shouldn't have taken a walk. I know, right? In hindsight, I should have just walked. I should have just taken my $15 break even trade and walk away, but it is what it is. At the same time, this is, this is just brutal. Don't really want to be a part of it. Ah, I don't like. I don't like. I'm not sure what to do. I feel like I should probably just walk away. Probably walk away. Oh, I don't want to though. This is where it's hard. Like this is the hardest part of me, at least for me for trading. Because like I want to take another stab at it and then like makes me so I just hate this kind of price act. I really do not like it. Every little move right here makes me really want to get in on a long trade, but then the more it just continues to break lower, the more triggered I get. Probably need to walk away. Would really like to get this, really wouldn't mind wouldn't mind being green. Yeah, Dabda. I just need to start to remember. Once we get around that 11 o'clock in the morning, just need to really not trust those pullbacks. They just seem to never work out. Never seem to work out. We lose all momentum and we just slowly roll over. It's the slow, painful grind that gets me. Oh, it really annoys me. Wait for the Trump speak. I mean, I don't want to trade that either. I just prefer if this would just, keep going slowly higher. It would be nice. Would be nice, but doesn't. I don't know that we're going to get that. See now, a break above this. Ah. Are you kidding me? It's not even gonna fill me. We're gonna have to send help here if this rejects. We're gonna have to send help if this just rips lower now. Hmm. Ah. Oh, we really gonna do this, huh? No. All right, we gotta wait. Gonna be rough. Gonna be rough.
Hello? Yeah, after Geneva, but if Macintosh, like says, you could always, yeah, keep going straight, and then it should be technically it would be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 row to the left. Yeah, but it says Baducho.
We're gonna go silent. I'm not gonna be. We're in full on silent mode here. We're here. We have arrived. Hmm. Hey, Pine Tree Trader. Good to see you, Pine Tree Trader. How's it going? Hope you're having a better day than today that I'm having. I Everything was going great, and then we took this one trade, and we're going on a little bit of a bender. Just don't let's not talk about it. Oh, this is depressing, man. Market just bleeding lower. No, it's just I need to stop doing this. Stop trading after 11. Maybe I did I need to just stop trading at 11 o'clock, period. Seems like the bulls all just leave. Everyone just is gone. Come on, get a push. Rip this thing above that 2010, 22,020s. And we're at the lunchtime hour. I know, Camber trades. I know. And it's so true, too. Like, it's so true. Yet, I keep... that's what got me so frustrated, because I have seen this pattern for how many days and how many times have I seen this, yet it seems like I keep falling for it. And that's what got me frustrated. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what to feel. I feel okay with the trade, but I'm frustrated with it. We got to get above the EMA. We got to get above that 22,020 for this to really have a good chance. I like the fact that we did not make new lows, but we have to we got to move above this EMA. That's the key. Maybe try eating another Nutty Bar. Now there's a good thought. That's a good thought. Like, as long as we just keep chopping sideways and we don't get above this EMA, I think this is eventually going to fall down and take me out, unfortunately. But I'm going to let this trade work. We got in this trade, and now we're going to let it work. And honestly, my target here, is going to be this. I want to get paid for my suffering. I need to actually get paid for this pain and suffering that I'm currently going through. Come on, market. Rip it. Back above that 22,010s just for now. I'll take it. That's all we need right now. Do it. Yeah, Dean Bishop. I left quite a bit of money on there as well. Visualize a massive green candle and it will manifest. All right, give me a minute. Whoo. Let's see if it works. You say your family is staying with you this week. What do they say when you sit in the closet all day? That's a good question, John. They're pretty kind about it. What do they say when you sit in the closet all day? And it is pretty funny. I do have my father-in-law. He was watching me, I think the first time ever. I think he's still a little bit confused on exactly how everything works, but he's enjoying it. He's enjoying it. See this right here? This is not good. Again, we touched the EMA, immediately pulled back. Oh, pain, absolute pain. Just pain. That's all I am experiencing right now is pain. It just hurts. Following a rule the last few days, all movements happen in the first 15 to 30 minutes and then it's in a coma. I mean, it's more than feel like around 11 o'clock. around 11 o'clock, things just fall apart. Like everything is just, forget about whatever happened in the morning. Whatever, once 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock rolls around, we just go into this mode. Like we go into this mode where we just completely forget that we've been bullish all morning, and we start to just roll over slowly but surely and very painfully. And I hate it. Yet I keep trading it. You go in the closet, you come out red and walk around talking to yourself, and then I go back in the closet. That is very accurate. That is pretty accurate, honestly. Come on, market. Just rip it higher. Stop it. Stop doing this. And then I come back and I'm more red. Zoom out and it's clear. I mean, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. I see hope. I see hope. If we can if the 15-minute candle, let me show you right here. If this 15-minute candle can close above the 22,000 level, if we can close above it, I feel pretty good about my long. If we don't, we're getting stopped out. And we're just going to accept it. We have reached the stage. We have reached the stage of, we have accepted a red day, I think. Knock on wood. Come on, market. Rip this thing higher. Come on. Do it. This looks like it's forming a shelf, and the cat is about to kick it over. You know cats, they can't help themselves. They always be throwing things off the shelf. I just really need to stop trading this. That's what I need to do. Just need to stop. Stop trading the afternoon. Like 11 o'clock. I feel like around 1:30, 2 o'clock. Usually we pick up the pace and things are better. But from right now until 1, 2 o'clock, it's just so bad. Here we go. This is looking like we're gonna... You gotta be kidding me. Yep, here she comes. Rip it, rip it, rip it. We just can't do it. We cannot seem to do it. What do you mean the closet? I like to refer to it as the world famous Nutty Bar Studio. It is the Nutty Bar Studio. I call it the Nut House. It is pretty nutty in here, I will say. No, Joseph Williams, you just got shot in the tick. Well, I might join you here in a minute. I might join you in a minute. It's just bad. The psychologist I have is the one I hallucinate. He needs one 5-minute candle to close over 22,003. I know, and it just can't do it. It just can't do it. And now what's going to happen? It's going to wick lower and probably stop me out. It'll stop me out, and then it's going to make a move higher. But I'm not going to move my stop. We're just going to take it to the chin. We're going to move on, and it is what it is. It is what it is. I mean, maybe we come test the 960s. It's the only thing I can think of. I wouldn't be surprised if we test the 960s and then we wick down maybe below this opening range low and then we maybe go higher. I don't know. I do not know, but I know I'm wrong. Man, this is just unfortunate. DCA. One of my aunts, when she was younger, would tell people she wanted to grow up and be in the nut house. um, we'll make the high low, then pull back 1130 to 130, then 130 to 3 retest. Yeah, that's what I know. I just need to stop trading this time. There's no need. There's no need to do it. And there you go. Stop field. All right. It is what it is. Maybe we test the 960s. We wick down below it and then we rip higher, I guess. But this is exactly my biggest. I hate this. I actually hate it. No, I'm not stupid enough to go short now. Trust me. If I go short now, you know what's going to happen. Everybody knows. All right, guys, I'm going to call it. I am over it. I am over it. Let's call it. And it is what it is. I'm too scary when I trade. Man, it's just, I can't seem to, I don't know. These pullbacks are just terrible. All right, guys, we'll be back. It'll be fine. Is trading as I feel like your sole source of income, or do you still have an engineer drawing income? No, it is. I sold my share of that company at the end of last year. Yeah, thank you, Pine Tree. Appreciate it. All right, thanks everyone. Appreciate all the support. Thank you. It is what it is. We'll be back. We'll be back tomorrow. Take care and God bless.